So a roseate spoonbill has been reported in Minnesota, and this is a pretty big deal. I'm not normally a chaser. I've seen this bird in other states, but this is chaseable. I like a good chase, although I'm to that point of nervous anticipation of walking out to it, and every birder I pass is like, yeah, it's still there, it's still there. And now I just kind of have this nerve-wracking fear of, what if it's not there? What if it flies away like 10 seconds before I get there? This is why I go birding.
This is Tired Sweaty Bob, and it is still there.
Awesome.
Hurry on down.
It's still here. Every birder I've passed has said that the spoonbill is here. I'm to the point where I can see the birders at the end of the boardwalk. Will it still be there? The pressure is insane. I still see people looking through their scope, so maybe they are still on it, or maybe they're looking at something else. I see a lot of egrets. Birders. Now they're not. Most of them are just kind of casually looking at each other. They're either tired of looking at it, or it's gone. Which will it be? Is it still there? And now it's the evening. I've gotten the spoonbill. I'm celebrating with my official Department of the Interior glasses since I was at a National Wildlife Refuge. Now it's time to have a celebratory gin and tonic. Tastes like